What is the benefits of wheatgrass? Wheatgrass is low in calories but high in nutrients, including antioxidants such as glutathione, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Antioxidants fight free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting against health conditions like arthritis, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. What is wheatgrass? Wheatgrass refers to the young, freshly sprouted leaves of our common wheat plant whose botanical name is Triticum aestivum. Wheatgrass is called Godume Pull in Tamil, Gehu ke Javre ka Ras in Hindi, Gavamkur juice in Marathi, and Goduma Gaddi in Telugu. Wheatgrass nutrients. One of the important ingredients that wheatgrass is rich in is chlorophyll, which accounts for almost 70%. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in plants that gives the plant its green color and which also helps absorb light energy needed for photosynthesis. Along with chlorophyll, wheatgrass is rich in minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and enzymes. Wheatgrass is rich in vitamins and minerals like ascorbic acid, dehydroascorbic acid, vitamin E, carotene, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, sodium, zinc, and copper. The important amino acids present in wheatgrass are aspartic acid, threonine, serine, asparagine, glutamine, proline, glycine, alanine, methionine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, tyrosine, phenylalanine, lysine, histidine, tryptophan, and arginine. Some of the enzymes present are protease, amylase, lipase, cytochrome oxidase, transhydrogenase, etc. How to consume wheatgrass? We get wheatgrass in different forms like wheatgrass powder, wheatgrass capsules, freeze-dried wheatgrass, pills and tablets in the markets. Though you can take wheatgrass in any form, I would suggest consuming fresh wheatgrass juice as it retains the maximum nutrients, or buy freeze-dried wheatgrass as it is not exposed to heat. You can easily grow wheatgrass at home, you don't need much space for it too. Where to buy wheatgrass? In India, we get fresh wheatgrass in some supermarkets, but it is quite expensive, so I would suggest growing your own if you plan to consume regularly. You can get wheatgrass powders, capsules, and tablets easily in the markets. When buying, make sure to buy from reputed brands and also make sure it is certified organic. Folks in Bangalore, Mysore can check out this website for more information. https://www.mugreens.com/. Wheatgrass dosage. If you are taking wheatgrass powder, mix 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass powder in a cup of water and drink. You can easily get wheatgrass powder everywhere. If you are taking fresh wheatgrass juice, also called as wheatgrass shots, take around 120 milliliters. You can easily make wheatgrass shots by grinding a handful of fresh grass with water in a mixer and straining, but make sure to drink it immediately. You can sweeten with honey if you prefer. If consuming wheatgrass capsules, the suggested dosage is 1 capsule with meals. Pregnant women can consume wheatgrass, but make sure to make your own wheatgrass juice at home, and it is also best to consume it after consulting with your doctor. Wheatgrass side effects. Some people might be allergic to wheatgrass. Generally, wheatgrass, if consumed in the normal amounts, will not cause any side effects. But if you overdose on wheatgrass, it will cause upset stomach and diarrhea. Here is 15 top health benefits and uses of wheatgrass. 1. Wheatgrass for blood building. Since wheatgrass is rich in chlorophyll, it is great for blood building and is especially helpful for patients suffering from a condition called beta thalassemia. It is a blood disorder that reduces the production of hemoglobin. Low levels of hemoglobin lead to lack of oxygen in many parts of the body, leading to many complications, and they need regular blood transfusions. For them, consuming wheatgrass juice regularly will greatly help and also will increase the interval between transfusions too. 2. Wheatgrass for treating anemia, low hemoglobin. Consuming wheatgrass is great for people suffering from anemia. Chlorophyll found in wheatgrass is similar to hemoglobin, and the only difference is that the central element is magnesium in chlorophyll and iron in hemoglobin. That is why people who are suffering from anemia will benefit drinking wheatgrass juice. 3. Wheatgrass has anti-cancer properties. Wheatgrass has amazing anti-cancer properties, including oral squamous cell carcinoma, which is the 6th leading cause of cancer worldwide. It is the cancer that commonly affects the lips or the tongue. It is very common in India due to high amount of tobacco usage. Consuming wheatgrass juice greatly helps decrease the cancer growth. You can read the study that proves it here. 4. Wheatgrass anti-ulcer properties. Wheatgrass has wonderful anti-ulcer properties. If you are a person who is suffering stomach ulcers, I would suggest to stop consuming highly acidic foods like coffee, tea and cola drinks for a few days, and to consume wheatgrass juice in empty stomach for a few days. You will find good improvement within a few days. 5. Wheatgrass protects the liver. Consuming wheatgrass has a protective effect on the liver. Choline and other minerals found in wheatgrass prevents fat deposits in the liver, which usually leads to fatty liver disease. Consuming alcohol, highly processed and sugary foods, and also foods high in trans fats are the leading cause of liver disease. To keep the liver healthy, try to eat a healthy diet and consume wheatgrass regularly, either in the form of powder or juice. Wheatgrass juice also helps flush out excess bilirubin, so it prevents jaundice too. 6. Wheatgrass for weight loss. Wheatgrass juice helps detoxify our body naturally, which helps get rid of the toxins from our body very effectively. When our body is rid of toxins, our digestion is in peak order and boosts our metabolism, resulting in natural weight loss. If you are on a weight loss diet, try to include wheatgrass juice in your diet. It will not only help in weight loss, it will also help prevent nutritional deficiencies that is very common during weight loss. 7. Wheatgrass for skin. Wheatgrass is excellent for skin both when applied externally and taken internally. Since wheatgrass is rich in antioxidants, it prevents free radical damage, which is usually the cause of premature aging of the skin. Since it has antibacterial and soothing properties, it treats many skin ailments including acne, psoriasis, and eczema. You can apply fresh wheatgrass juice mixed with little honey as a face pack to keep the skin glowing and youthful. 8. Wheatgrass for hair. Since wheatgrass is rich in all vital nutrients and minerals that are essential for hair growth, consuming a glass of wheatgrass juice daily will greatly prevent hair loss caused due to nutritional deficiencies. Since it has wonderful antioxidant properties, it will prevent premature graying of the hair too. If you are experiencing severe hair loss, I would suggest consuming wheatgrass daily. 9. Wheatgrass for diabetes. Wheatgrass in any form is good for diabetic patients, as it helps regulate blood sugar levels. This has been proven through research too. If you are suffering from high blood sugar levels, I would suggest consuming a glass of wheatgrass juice daily along with regular exercise. Both will help regulate the blood sugar levels very quickly. 10. Wheatgrass alkalizes the body. Wheatgrass has alkalizing effect on the body. Most of us suffer from acidosis due to consumption of highly processed foods. When our body is acidic, we are susceptible to lot of diseases including cancer. But consuming foods that are alkaline in nature like wheatgrass juice has the opposite effect. It protects us from many diseases, so it is vital we consume alkaline-rich foods often. 11. Wheatgrass for kidney. Wheatgrass is great for kidney patients as it has a protective effect on the kidneys. Since wheatgrass detoxifies our body and purifies our blood, people who are suffering from kidney disease can consume wheatgrass juice every day. But I would kindly suggest consuming wheatgrass juice after consulting with your physician, especially if you are on any medication for treating kidney problems. 12. Wheatgrass for piles and constipation. Wheatgrass juice also is a good home remedy for people suffering from piles. Since it has anti-inflammatory properties, it helps reduce the inflammation really quickly, and it also helps greatly ease bowel movements. If you are suffering from piles, try to take a cup of fresh wheatgrass juice daily. 13. Wheatgrass for low platelet count. Consuming wheatgrass juice improves platelet count. We had a huge outbreak of dengue in Tamil Nadu, and even my son got dengue fever. It was very difficult to rise his platelet count during the dengue fever treatment, and only natural remedies helped. If you are looking for natural ways to rise platelet count, consume wheatgrass juice regularly for a few days. 14. Wheatgrass for teeth. Wheatgrass is great for treating and preventing gum problems. If you are suffering from gum inflammation, consume a cup of wheatgrass daily. It will ease the inflammation greatly. Chewing on fresh wheatgrass will help too. After straining out the wheatgrass juice from the grass, instead of discarding it, you can chew for some time. This will greatly help reduce gum diseases. 15. Wheatgrass for immunity. Wheatgrass is very rich in antioxidants, and consuming it regularly will greatly help improve immunity and will greatly prevent premature aging. If you are a person who is prone to cough and cold, just a few days of regularly consuming wheatgrass juice will greatly prevent it. It also improves the quality of sleep and mental well-being. It is also very good for women as it helps ease the symptoms of PCOS.